how to fix Instagram request problem. So if you have the request problem on Instagram, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing you want to do, guys, is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and click on update. After you update your Instagram, go to the settings, open the apps manager like this, go to the Instagram and then click on force stop and go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, and now the last thing you want to do is go to the data usage and disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data only. That's it. Now you have to restart your phone or turn it off and on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.